Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Then select Connected Devices. Click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now tap on Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, choose this gear next to the device. Tap on Forget next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by choosing Pair New Device, clicking on it again and hitting Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!